Yes, dear students, now we are back to our geographical session. Chapter number 3, chapter number 2, session number 3. Last two sessions we were discussing about the lines of latitude. Now we are going to start the lines of longitude. Here. So, what do you mean by longitude? Longitude is an angular distance of a place east to west. Angular distance. All of you see longitude first itself you have to understand this is the line passes from poles to pole. And from here to here and like this. Okay, and this is what the thing, and east to west. This line passes east or west from center. Is suppose we take this is what east direction and another what west direction. From center to west calculation and again east calculation. This is what the thing taking place. Now, the prime meridian. Prime meridian is the line of longitude whose angular distance is defined as 0 degree. It passes through Greenwich near London. So, prime meridian, about prime meridian if we say, suppose you see this is a central line we can say so prime meridian. See both poles from north pole to south pole it passes, and this is what the basic line of longitude, and this line has one another name, that is a Greenwich meridian. Okay, Greenwich meridian, because this line passes through Greenwich near London. And now let us go to another. The lines to the west of Greenwich are suffixed with the west, degree west, and the lines those who are those east of Greenwich. Okay, I am showing you. This is earth, this is Greenwich, and this side is west and this side is east. Suppose the line passes this side Greenwich and this side line, this one Greenwich line and to west side, and this is eastward side, and this we have to use degree east or degree west, like degree west or degree east. Okay, and in this side we have to write what is the degree, 60 degree west or 60 degree east, and this also we have to understand. And now next point, there are total 360 lines at 1 degree interval. That is another point you have to understand. Total number of longitudes, how many are there? There are 360 lines. Okay, and when we go to another side where latitude, how many are there? 181 latitudes are there. Here we have a 181 latitude, and same time what about longitude? 360 longitude. Okay, and each line have a 1 degree interval, 1 degree interval, both side 1 degree interval, and a distance of 1 degree, what is it? 111, I mean 111 kilometer. Both are same. Now, this speciality of longitude. This meridian means, what do you mean by meridian? Meridian is a Greek word, that meaning is what it is, noon. From the Latin, sorry, meridian coming from the Latin word, not a Greek word, that is from Latin word meridium. What is the Real word meridium. From meridium it converted to meridian. And meaning, English meaning, what is it? That is noon. Why do we call it a noon? Because suppose this is earth, this is a meridians. Okay. And when sun rises where it is just above the equator. Equator means both prime meridian, equator. Okay, here overhead it will be. Then slowly it start to move forward. I mean eastward, because according to rotation, though earth is rotating, how east to west, but it is a reaction comes how it is a eastward. So we have to understand slowly this will move to eastward, and wherever the sun passes, which meridian it crosses, all the meridians same time, noon time they will get. If you will not, I want to make you to understand, if sun is here at noon time, then what will happen, all this area from here to here noon will be in same time, there are no time change. Again passes sun slowly coming to here, then noon, all the lines same time, or it comes here all the time, same time will not be changed. Okay, that is why we call it meridian, means noon. All places on a particular meridian will have noon at the same time. Now, all meridians of longitude coverage at the poles are thus of equal length. And now let us go to another point. The prime meridian is numbered as 0 degree. The others are numbered between 0 degree to 180 degree east or west. Prime meridian, this one we are numbering as a 0 degree. And other ones from 0 degree to other. Okay, 0 degree to 180 degree east, or 0 degree to 180 degree west, and that is what the thing take place while we are moving towards this 0 degree to this much. Again if we move 0 degree to this much, if that east side 0 degree to that, is suppose 2 degree you moved, 180 minus 2, like this you have to go. And again individually if we say so, these all are what, semicircles. Both way we can divide into, if east according to meridian if we cover, then what will happen, this is all are half circle. Okay, 180 circle. And when we divide like this part is 180, this part is another 180, both sides according to our method we can have. The two diametrically opposite lines make a full circle, also known as a great circle. When these both sides are joined together, then what will happen, one complete circle of a 360 degree we will get it. And the distance between two lines of longitude is maximum at the equator, I mean 111 kilometer. The distance decreases gradually as one moves towards the poles. And now you see one thing, already we have said to you, this is a north pole and another one is a south pole. All the lines coming touches these both poles like this. Okay, while equator, this distance will be same to all meridians, same. Okay, but when it pass across near to the pole, then what, this distance will decrease, and here 0 degree you will get, and here what it will be, 111 kilometer. that here distance will be more 111 kilometer, be here 0 kilometer. Okay. And now let us see longitude and the time. The lines of longitude are started early are also known as the meridians. At the popular moment of time, if it is at 12 noon at a given longitude, it must be 12 noon at all places of it. If one longitude 12 noon, that means all line places, all longitudes. What it will happen? That will be 12 noon. That already we have said. Now the difference we have to understand that here already I have showed here 360 degree when it passes when sun is revolving while rotating